How many of you ready for the game? Say I. I. Come on, more energy. How many of you ready for the game? Say I. I. Welcome to game time. The name of the game is nail puzzle. The objective of the game is very simple. You have to separate both the nails. As you see, both the nails are locked together. You have to separate them. The rules of the games: you should not bend the nails, you should not break the nails, and you should not use any kind of power or force to separate the nails. As the games are very simple and easy, there is a small trick to be solved. Sometimes the puzzles opens by fluke, by chance or by luck. Successful people don't become successful overnight. They have certain steps, certain habits, then only they become successful. Likewise, this game has 3 steps to be followed. So you have to show all those 3 steps and then only you will get 500 points. How many points? 500. I will be giving you 2 minutes. The person which separates the puzzle first will get 500 points. Coaches will be giving you the puzzles. Please don't touch the puzzle or else you will get disqualified. How many of you want to get disqualified? Say I. Are you ready? Yes. I will be giving you 2 minutes and your time starts now. Please everyone keep your puzzle down. So do you want clue from me? Yes. So how do you ask? Coach, please give me a clue. Okay. Since you have asked with lots of love, I will give you the clue. The clue is, please listen carefully. The clue is hold, cross and twist. Hold, cross and twist. This time I will be giving you 1 minute and the person which separates the puzzle will get 250 points. How many points? 250 points. And your time starts now. So do you want answer from me? Yes. So how do you ask? So the answer is hold, cross and twist.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.